Welcome back, guys. There are a few bullish patterns that can actually form on the Tesla stock, so let's start with the daily chart. Straight away we can see a few things, which is the rejection from the 100 moving average in purple over here, sitting at roughly $215. Also, this action is important. Look at the increase in price making higher high. Look at the RSI staying flat. So yes, a bearish divergence formed at the 100 moving average, hence we saw this rejection. Now some key support areas is 195 over here, then we have some action around the 175 mark and a smaller level at 165. So if you just look at this price action itself, very strong upward movement. There is quite the chance that we might drop back towards 175 $180. As you can see, the 50 moving average in green is available at 185 also. After that we might see some consolidation happen in this range, and this will give us the bull flag pattern we are looking for, and that might pump the price up towards the top part of this channel sitting at 228, where the 200 moving average is also sitting currently. Actually, this channel itself is very important. Look at this. This has been there since November 2021. Countless time we have seen rejection. So if we form this price action, then yes, a retest of the top part of this channel is quite possible, and that would be a very major retest. As you can see, a lot of rejection has happened previously. Also on the daily chart, still the RSI is at 68, so very high, telling us that yes, further retest of lower level on the RSI is possible, supporting the theory we presented that this area 175 $180 might get tested. Even 165 is possible. Look at this action around 165, that is even possible. And this sort of drop in price is actually nothing to worry about, because this is actually a very healthy correction. This means that the price is confirming lower levels as support and tries to bounce from here, so this is a healthy price action. If I also drop the fib levels from the recent highs to the recent lows, look at this rejection. This is actually the 0.5 fib level sitting at 207.65, so a major rejection. This is known as the start of the gold zone, so we have rejected from here. Now next retest is of the 0.382 level sitting at 182, and like I mentioned, this area 180 $175 is an important area and might get retested. So this fib level is actually supporting our theory that yes, this might get tested and we might try to bounce from here. The next pattern I think which is possible is actually the inverse head and shoulder pattern. If I look at this price action that was forming, now we have come back up forming the shoulder part, so a retest of lower level is possible, maybe 165 175, and price tries to bounce from here by completing the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So once again telling us this 175 165 range is possible. So what do you think is going to happen? Are we going to find support from 195 heading up towards 228 where the top part of the channel is, or this is it, a drop is coming soon towards 165, or even worse to the bottom part of the channel itself where $125 is? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart. So straight away we can see the rejection from the 200 moving average sitting at 215. Now price is coming to test the 100 moving average at 185, and the 50 moving average is sitting at 166. So a retest of lower level is quite possible, but there is an important observation here. If you look at this point, look at this, price is making a higher low. Look at the RSI making a lower low, giving us a bullish divergence at this price point. However, we still have to consider that the RSI on the 4 hours is still 62, quite high. So yes, again telling us some sort of correction, some sort of retest is possible. So keep an eye on this area. This area will be very important. We have to see how price responds over here. So this was just a quick update before the start of the next week. Also, if you're planning to actively trade, please consider using proper risk management. And if you would like us to analyze any other asset, please feel free to put that in the comment section. Hopefully see you next time. Thank you for watching.